Hello, it's Darshan again. So I'll be talking about few changes. It's in reverse order. Yeah. So I will be talking about some of the improvements we did on the Navigator side. So recently, most of you, I am thinking like you have seen the change we did on the Navigator sidebar. So why we did that, first we'll go through that. So mainly there are three reasons. First one is like we have the sidebar, normal sidebar and the navigator. Both are on the right side of the document. So whenever a user wants to see both the thing at a once, like if he wants to go to any element using the navigator and at the same time wants to change something using the sidebar, there is no option to do that. So that's the first issue. The second issue is about the too many icons. If you see in the Impress, there are too many icons on the top right sidebar. So we are doing some reduction over there. So it doesn't look so clumsy over there. And yeah, the third issue is specific to Impress. So we have the slide sorter, but we do not have the option to hide the slide sorter. So now to encounter these three issue, we have introduced this new navigator sidebar. You can see on the left side there is this new navigator, and on the right side is the normal sidebar. So user can use both in a one go. So there is no conflicting between if I go with the sidebar or the navigator. There is also a issue with the in the previous version, like if I open the sidebar, sometimes it like if I'm using if there are multiple users, so for some users it closes like simultaneously. So it has the more dependency on each others. And in this case, I want to mention about the how the community also contributed. We have prepared a mock-up in the GitHub section, and there in that thread we have lots of comments like how we do improvements, what should be added, what should not be done. So yeah, thank you for that. uh, so now we have added this new floating button, which is the navigator button. So whenever you press this button, this left side pop up, left sidebar will be appear, and you can navigate throughout the any of the object in the document. Yeah, so this is how it looks in the calc, but there is no navigator floating button on the calc sheet. Obviously, it will be interfering with the cell content, and this is how it looks in the Impress. So there is also an improvement in Impress. We have now the two options: the slide sorter and the outline. So what outline does, it's just another word for navigator. So you can easily swipe between the slides and the navigator. So this is how it looks on the slide sorter. And if you want to switch to the outline, the right side image will show it's the navigator part. This is all about the navigator, which we did added in the last version. Now there is a very short topic on the ruler side, what we did improve on the ruler side. So we already had a ruler in the writer, but there is also some missing part, like the horizontal ruler was not there. And also ruler is missing in the other apps like Impress and in Raw. So we did some improvement over there and added a vertical ruler on the document in the writer. So you can see it's not like only the vertical ruler, but that the functionality also works with as the same as the horizontal ruler. So you can add the top margin while drag and drop using that small triangle in above. And also on the bottom, you can change the bottom and top header and footer using this ruler. And yeah, this is the ruler in the Impress. It works same as the writer one, so you need to adjust the objects in the Impress. You can easily do that. We like, I thought horizontal ruler in Impress is more useful compared to what we have in Writer, because in Impress we work more on the object part, like the shapes and elements. So it will be very easy to adjust the width or the height of those objects. So yeah, and this is all part of ruler and navigator on the design side. And on the navigator side, I want to thank Nick. He done like most of the work on the core side to sending right information and coordinates. Then it will be easy for me to uh, uh, design on the front end side. And yeah, for the mock-up, thanks to Pedro and the community members who did answered on those. Shimon, as always, he's my mentor. So yeah, and Nick, Thomas for the ruler part, and Kalen also for helping in core side. That's it. Thanks.